Alright. Got it all ready to go here. Got 75 pounds of boiler pressure. I think the engine might take off. That's probably about 300 RPM. Going down about 20 pounds already. I just threw in some coal, so it hasn't really started to take off yet. So maybe I'll stop it and continue with this in a few minutes. A lot of steam though. Alright. Okay, so I got coal in there, and the blower really takes off, as you can see in here. Helps the fire get started. And then of course you can turn it off, because it does use a lot of steam. The other thing is I just have the exhaust from the engine going up in the air here. Normally it would go up into the stack and create a draft. And the stack isn't done yet. I only have a temporary piece of 6-inch tubing on there. So it's not done yet either. The tube just hasn't come in yet. But once that coal lights off and really gets a bed of hot coals in about a half an hour, and then you keep putting more coal on it, then we might have a really hot fire that will support this engine. But I'm not sure. It uses a lot of steam, and the more it gets broken in, the better it'll run more efficiently and use less steam with less effort. So it's running really good though for now, because it's brand new. This also has a Penberthy injector here, which I don't have. I looked all around the house and the shop today. I could not find a piece of tubing to plug it in. I might try that in my next video. I'd like to see if that runs properly. It's all plumbed in and everything. And the hand pump works great. Just real nice, and you'll see that water level go down. All that water is going into the boiler, which, you know, you can see it on the sight glass there. It's a little bit low right now, but it's fine. And this is a airlock valve. To get air in the line, or say that line doesn't, you're just starting out, you want to open that up. Now it's all going into the boiler. So it's running real smooth. You can see the level's gone down about an inch just already. About 200 pumps you can empty this container. Draft works really good. Ash pan. Close it off completely. I keep it open about an inch. And like I was saying, if there's a exhaust from the engine going right up here into the stack and going up, you're going to have a really nice draft, which will help that fire down below get hotter and hotter. And the cylinder, if you just bring it around to right about there, it usually takes off on its own. Not quite. You can see that that exhaust would create a really nice draft in the stack if it was set up permanently. So, of course, the blowdown valves are here. They're real nice ones. Water sight glass. There's a drain at the bottom. I haven't made the rods, the protective rods, to go in here yet, but I will do that next. That's easy to do. I'll get the injector running here. I'll be running it a couple more times, so sounds good.